When you're learning Italian, your goal is to develop real-world language skills, not just maintain a streak in a gamified app. We've tested over 10 different Italian language programs, and here's what truly worked. Spoiler alert, some of the biggest names out there don't actually deliver, while a few programs you might not have heard of earn the highest rankings. In this video, I'll cover the top 5 Italian language apps in 2026, so you know which one best fits your style. Okay, let's start with a language app that received our highest overall rating, Rocket Italian. Here's what makes them stand out. First, Rocket's interactive audio lessons outshine every other Italian program in terms of mimicking true conversations. Basically, an English-speaking host guides you through a mock exchange between fluent Italian speakers. The moderator frequently pauses to give quick explanations, ask comprehension questions, and even invite you to participate. It's almost like taking private classes where you're constantly engaging with a group. Rocket's speech recognition technology, which is powered by Google, is fantastic. So you're constantly getting an accurate assessment of your pronunciation and grammar on a scale of 1 to 100. Many other apps are limited to simple, predictable practice drills. Rocket, on the other hand, focuses on the most important elements of language learning, listening and speaking in context. In my opinion, that's crucial. Second, Rocket supplements each audio lesson with a variety of practice exercises that reinforce the materials like flashcards and fill in the blanks. Rocket's most unique learning activity is the chance to replay the mock conversations. After each audio exercise, you can go back through the conversation a second time, with the difference being that you now take on the role of the main speaker. This is what it feels like to participate in legit conversations, where it's all on you to keep the flow going. Next, I like that Rocket provides dedicated grammar lessons, which are helpful for understanding complex topics like Italian sentence structure, verb conjugations, and the subjunctive. Finally, Rocket provides some handy survival kits or quick hit lessons that cover essentials like counting, days and months, and travel vocab. The audio lessons give you comprehensive language exposure, while the survival kits cover foundational vocab. Combined, you end up with a balanced program. Everything is accessible via the Rocket Italian mobile app too, which is great for people who are constantly on the go. Now, here's where Rocket Italian could improve. The lessons are somewhat lengthy to complete, so plan on spending about an hour on each. This might be a challenge for anyone struggling with a busy schedule. Still, I found it easy to pause and jump back in later, so no need to power through it all at once. Another downside is the Rocket Italian cost. Rocket Italian only sells lifetime access plans, which are a bit pricey. Level 1 for beginners costs about $150 MSRP, for example. Keep in mind though that Rocket is almost always running special promotions. In fact, I'll keep the description below updated with the most current promo codes, so check that text below the screen. You can typically save 50 to 60%, which makes Rocket competitively priced. Next up is our budget pick, Babbel. I know Duolingo is popular, but after testing both, we found Babbel to be far more effective for learning Italian. Of course, Babbel is not as comprehensive as Rocket, but for a budget app, it's surprisingly solid. They offer diverse practice exercises, so you're not doing the same thing over and over. Everything moves quickly, with lessons taking just about 10 to 15 minutes, which is ideal for busy professionals. Plus, Babbel's clearly defined learning path provides a step-by-step approach for making steady progress. Their speech recognition technology rivals Rocket's and might even be better. Like Rocket, Babbel features direct grammar instruction, although it's woven into lessons in bite-sized pieces, so beginners aren't overwhelmed. The modern Babbel mobile app and digital interface keeps learning easy and intuitive. Babbel's tech is great, including their newest feature, Babbel Speak, which they just added in 2025. This is an AI-powered conversation partner for practicing spontaneous speaking and listening with instant feedback on your grammar and pronunciation. That brings me to the one area where Babbel can improve. Now, considering Babbel Speak is a great resource, they still provide somewhat limited speaking practice. When you're comparing Babbel with a more robust program like Rocket, brief chats with an AI tutor just aren't the same as participating in authentic conversations between two Italian speakers. Still, Babbel offers doable Italian lessons at a fair price, often less than $10 a month, making their course an excellent value. Plus, Babbel routinely offers special sales. I often see their program for up to 55% off. Okay, let's discuss two great options for visual learners, starting with Rosetta Stone. They use an immersion-based approach where almost every practice exercise within the lessons contains some sort of picture. It's easily the most visually rich Italian course our team has tested. Rosetta Stone also provides a ton of supplemental resources, like on-demand videos, short stories, and phrase books, which really help mix up your learning approach. It's also worth mentioning that the Rosetta Stone mobile app is constantly being updated with their new AI-powered speech recognition software, True Accent, providing good value. Plus, Rosetta Stone is quite affordable. Subscriptions cost about $10 a month after discounts, which is very reasonable. You could also get up to 60% off with the right promo code. Now, if you learn better from videos, I recommend checking out LingoPie. This isn't a conventional language learning program with lessons or assignments. Instead, LingoPie is a video on-demand platform that uses modern TV shows and movies to help you learn Italian. Here's how it works. You start by browsing the extensive LingoPie library, which provides high-quality Italian shows and movies across a range of genres. LingoPie is constantly expanding their in-house library, with hundreds of new selections added this year, so you can almost always find something new to watch. After that, simply choose your preferred way to learn while binge watching your new favorite show. You can turn on subtitles in both English and Italian and use the grammar coach tool and AI-powered phrase explanations to understand why the characters used a certain sentence structure. You can also build a personalized set of interactive video-based flashcards to review new words and phrases later. The big idea is that when language learning is fun, you'll truly stick with it. Plus, you can get LingoPie for as low as $7 a month after promos. Bottom line, LingoPie is excellent for a more engaging approach to language learning, especially if you already know beginning Italian. Finally, one last audio-based program I want to talk about is Pimsleur. Like Rocket, their curriculum is based on immersive audio lessons. Now, here's what sets Pimsleur apart. The mobile app comes with a special driving mode, so you can learn Italian in the car, which is huge for commuters. Their AI conversation and voice coach helps with improving your speaking, vocab, and grammar. And in 2025, they added a new rewards program so you can earn and redeem points for a more gamified learning experience. Another advantage to Pimsleur is that unlike Rocket, they offer monthly subscription plans, which makes it much cheaper to get started with learning Italian. The standard subscription costs about $20 per month, which is doable, especially considering that you're getting a premium language course that helps you build strong listening and speaking skills. Finally, Pimsleur offers a free 7-day trial period, so you can try out their course without having to spend any money. The link to that free trial will be below in the description for you. Okay, time for the final verdict. So what's the best app for learning Italian in 2026? For anyone wanting to develop strong conversational ability or achieve intermediate and advanced levels of Italian, the answer is Rocket. Their interactive conversations make you feel like you're actually engaging with fluent speakers, preparing you for real-life situations. The speech software is excellent, and the focused grammar lessons are great for clearing up any points you're confused about. Whether you're planning on traveling or just wanting some spot-on speaking and listening practice, Rocket Italian is your best bet. What if you're on a tight budget though? Babbel offers the best value, engaging lessons and quick grammar tips at a low monthly rate. Both are great, but if you're serious about reaching conversational fluency with native speakers, Rocket is a superior choice. Anyways, I know that was a lot of info, so for a full comparison chart of every price and feature, just Google Test Prep Insight Best Apps to Learn Italian. And remember, we give away a free language learning course every single month. To enter, just drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're leaning toward. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.